Hello my dear ones, and welcome to this new program. Today I'm going to share with you some special and delicious recipes from my family. Today we are going to prepare some spaghetti, but this isn't a common spaghetti because this is special. But why? Why this is so special and mysterious secret recipe that my family used from some generations back? It starts from the grandmother of my dad. She prepared this dish every 4 months, and all the family have met at her house to eat this delicious and wonderful spaghetti. Nowadays, my grandmother prepares it. Occasionally comes all the family together, but normally comes the majority at different times of the day or the week. Nevertheless, every child, teenager, and adult love it, and now you are going to love it too. Come on! The ingredients we are going to use is, obviously, an spaghetti package, 3 tomatoes, 1 pinch of salt, a seasoning cube, onion to taste, a couple of garlic, 2 teaspoons of butter, a half of shredded cheese, whatever kind of cheese is going to be okay, and ham to taste. And now, let's go to prepare it! The first step is preparing the sauce. That's going to give flavor to our dish. For this, you need to cut carefully the tomatoes, the onions, and the couple of garlic. And be careful with your hands. Now, let's put inside a bowl the condiments that we just cut. And with your clean hands, you are going to mix and smash all this. While this happens, ask a friend to help you put the salt and butter little by little. You can help yourself with a fork. Just stop when the mixture gets this consistency. Now, put some aluminum foil as a cover for the bowl. After, we must put it to refrigeration. While the mixture refrigerates, we are going to prepare the pasta. Come! Now, with 3 cups of water, we are going to put the pasta like this. Now, we must wait while the pasta absorbs the water. Now, we can see another exchange. Now, it's more softly than before. Now, this is my favorite part, when we give the flavor to the pasta. I have already removed the sauce from the refrigeration and delicately cut the jam. You could cut the portions however you pour the sauce. And then the seasoning cube. Now we must mix it with a spoon. And last but not least, I pour the ham and the cheese. I use Parmesan cheese because I think it looks so good with the spaghetti. And this is the final result. Well, I hope you enjoy it and you encourage to try this experimental and new spaghetti. Well, see you in the next program. Bye bye!